Good morning, students. Today we will start the multiplication of two matrices. Uh, so, look here. First of all, active. Who are the active? Actives are Vidya, Pranav, Aditya, Sanidhya, Mohit, Yash, Pratham, Mahavir, Kalyan, Tarun, and Gopal regularly inform me that what they have done, to complete the work or not, or they understand or not. So please, other also reply me on my WhatsApp number, so I can understand you not have any doubt. So now look here, we will look here, students. We will do today the multiplication of two matrices. We will do first matrix is given to you 2 4 3 2, and second matrix is given to you, that is the BE is given to you 1 3 and minus 2 5. You have to find AB and BA. How we can find? Look here, you have to multiply by the row to column. You have to multiply by row to column. You have to multiply. So how we can multiply? Look here, first matrix is given to you and second matrix is given. You can copy this matrix as it is. Okay, and here first row you will take, and here you will take first column. First row, first element is 2, first element of the column is 1. You multiply this. Similarly, the second element of first row is 4. This 4 you will multiply by minus 2. Okay, similarly we will have here the first row you will multiply by second column. Now first 2 we multiply by 3 and 4 we multiply by 5, and we will add, we will get this line. Similarly, the next 3 and 2 you multiply by, first you multiply by 1 and minus 2, so you get 3 into 1 and plus 2 into minus 2. Okay, so 3 and 2, now you multiply by the next 3 2 you multiply by 3 5, you will get this line. Look here, first 3 into 3 and 2 into 5, you will get this. Next you will solve these. So what we get? Minus 6, 26, minus 1 and 19. So this type we will do the multiplication. Now similarly we find BA. BA, how can we can find? First you write the B, then you write A. Here first row is 3 and 1 and 3, and here is column is, first column is 2 and 3. So these you multiply, you get 2 plus 9. Similarly 1 3 you multiply by 4 and 2. So 1 into 4 and 3 into 2. So you get 6. Okay, similarly for the second row is given to you minus 2 and 5, and here first column is given to you 2 and 3. These multiply, 2 in minus 2 into 2 is 4 and 5 into 3 is 15. That now next same as it is, you will multiply by the second row and second column element. So this minus 2 into 4, that you get minus 8, 5 into 2 is 10. This you will solve, you will get your answer. Okay, this you will solve here. 2 plus 9 is 11, 4 plus 6 is 10, minus 4 plus 15 is 11, minus 8 plus 10 is 2. Now look here, this first element minus 6, how we get? Minus 6 we get that first row, first element multiply by first column and first element plus second element of first row and second element of the first row of the second, we get 6. Similarly we get the other also. So here one rules will be here that we have to follow. What is the conditions will be here? The conditions, first condition is here. First condition that the product of AB or two matrices AB is defined if and only if the number of column of A equal to number of rows of B. Means first matrix whatever given you count the column, and for the second matrix you count the row, that should be equal, then only we can find the product, otherwise we cannot find. Now same rule is, if the product AB is defined, then BA may not be defined. It is not compulsory that AB is defined and BA will be also defined. Multiplication of matrices is not necessary commutative. Commutative is not necessary. Okay. Now last is, if order of A equal to M cross N and order of B is N cross Q, then what is the order of multiplication AB? That will be M cross N and N cross Q. So here this column of the first row and the row of the second will be cancelled, and you get M cross Q. Okay. Now look here. Here one example we will do. If the order of matrix A is given to you 2 into 3 and B is 3 into 4, then the order of AB, then what is the order of AB will be? Order of AB will be 2 into 3 first order, and second order is 3 into 4. So 3 will cancel, you get 2 into 4 matrix. Distribution properties here, if you have the any two, this is the A bracket, means A multiplication B plus C you have to do, then this will be equal to AB plus AC. Multiplication of by identity, but multiplication by identity, A I into A and A into I will be equal to A, that is will be same. Positive power of the matrices means A square will be equal to A into A. A into A you will get A square. A cube will be A square A or A square. A4 you can find by A square into A square. 2 times you will multiply, you will get. Rules for multiplication: multiply the first row of A with the corresponding elements of the first column of B and give the first element of the first row of AB. Similarly, other elements of AB we can find. Now one more question we will do same as it is. You can see this is the first A is given to you, B is given to you. What is the order of A? Order of A is 2 into 2. Order of B is 2 into 3. So that will be 2 into 3 you will get the order. Now you have to multiply. So multiply means first row you will multiply by first column. You will get the first here. Similarly the second. So that rules you will follow and you will multiply. You will solve, you will get the last line, you can check this, you will get the last. Okay, so you will do the practice for the multiplication. Now some questions I will give you that you have to do. Some questions you have to do. This is the first question. Look here, this is the first question A you have to do. Second question and third questions answer also I given you, so you can do all the questions. Now you have to find A square minus 5A plus 6I. If A is given to you 2 2 1 0 1 minus 1 1 3 and 0, this column I read. So this is given to you have to find A square. A square means A into A you will do, and the multiplication same rules you will apply here, that the first row you will multiply by first column, and first row you multiply by, you will get this number. First column you will multiply by the